It's a wet day in South Florida today. Good thing we're doing waterproof vinyl flooring. Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're installing a really awesome floor. If you've seen any of my videos, you know when I do wood flooring, my favorite wood flooring is Naturally Aged Floors Medallion Collection. Their wood is second to none. It's a high-end wood, and the price doesn't break the bank. But now we're doing their waterproof vinyl flooring today, and it doesn't disappoint. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
So beautiful, you and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I just can't say enough nice things about this Naturally Aged Floors Regal Plus collection. I'll put the name of the color and everything in the description below, so make sure you read it. Plus, we'll put links to different products that we use in our videos and we use to complete this job. So be sure to check out all of our links at the bottom that helps us produce these videos. This is Naturally Aged Vinyl. Yep, you heard me right. Vinyl flooring by Naturally Aged. A wide plank. Of course, it's 100% waterproof. Has the beveled joints. It's got a nice padding attached to it that makes it feel really, really solid when you walk on it. And, of course, the look is second to none. They can also give you a really nice variety of boards, a lot of different patterns in the boxes to work with, and the wider plank goes really fast on the install. Of course, we finished it off with a nice 5.5-inch modern profile baseboard. That's the square profile. And we ran it throughout the whole house. We got over 1,000 feet here. Bathrooms, kitchens. You don't have to worry. It's waterproof. Wow, this floor did not disappoint me. It is definitely one of my new favorite vinyl floors. Be sure to check out all of our other videos on vinyl floors, plus our stairs and all of our other content on the channel as well. We also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment, but we need your help. Please like, share, and of course, if you already have it, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.